Hey guys, this is Dee, and this is how I apply my press-on nails. So I'm going to be using my kit. You're going to have an alcohol pad, you're going to have a orange stick, a soft square, usually orange or hot pink, and your mini file. I'm going to be cutting down my nails a little bit. I already started on my pinky, so I'm going to go to my ring finger. I'm wearing stiletto today, and it's a little bit narrow, so I'm going to go and cut those down, my natural nails down a little bit, and go ahead and file them with my mini file. If your natural nails are a little bit wider and you're wearing a stiletto or a narrow nail, your natural nail may stick out from the side, so be mindful of that. So here I am using my cuticle stick or orange stick, and I'm just gently pushing down my cuticles and making sure I'm paying attention to sidewall to sidewall. Then after that, I'm going to take my orange square, and I'm just going to gently go sidewall to sidewall and my cuticle area, and just making sure I get all that debris out. And that's another reason why your nails may pop off, is because you haven't cleaned your cuticle area clean enough, and you just have that, that dead skin there. So this is what my nails look like after I've filed, buffed. And I'm going to take my alcohol wipe, and I'm going to gently make sure I have all that debris out, all that dust. And that's another reason why your press-on nails may pop off. So I'm just definitely got to make sure you have all that dust cleaned out. So this is how I look after, all nice and ready and dehydrated. These are my sticky tabs. I'm not using these today because I want to wear my press-on nails for 2 to 3 weeks. So I'm going to opt for the nail glue instead. So I have all my nails lined up, and I know I'm going to start from my pinky to my thumb. So I'm going to cut my nail glue, the tip, and also apply nail glue from sidewall to sidewall and my cuticle area. I'm going to set that down, and then I'm just going to put one dot or drop of nail glue and just gently go in a circle. Make sure I don't put any nail glue on my skin. Don't want any, contact. Make sure you don't flood your cuticle with the nail glue, or it's going to be a little bit messy. So I'm going to apply this at a 45-degree angle, press down for like 10 seconds, and then I'm going to move on to the next nail. And just rinse and repeat. The more often you do this, the faster you'll become, and you'll be, applying your press-on nails in no time. Again, just a small drop of glue on my natural nails. I'm just going to swirl that in a circle and make sure I just don't, get any on my skin. Again, come in at a 45-degree angle. And this helps with getting all the air bubbles out, but also to making sure you have a great fit and making sure your press-on nail is fitting perfectly. Rinse and repeat. I'm going on to my middle finger. Make sure you put enough nail glue on the press-on nail and just enough on your natural nail. Rock it from side to side. Also, too, helps get those air pockets out. Almost done. So moving on to my pointer finger. And if you feel like you put too much nail glue in, just simply tap it off on a, lint-free wipe or tissue that you may have to the side, just to make sure you don't flood your cuticles. 45-degree angle, come down, apply that pressure, and hold for 10 seconds. Another great tip is do not wash your hands for an hour. Do not put cuticle oil on afterwards. Just wait for a good solid hour after your application to ensure that the nail glue has completely dried. And here's another helpful tip. Deluxe nails are custom made, so that means there's like 5 coats of polish per nail. So if you're using any other means than nail glue to apply your press-on nails, you are running the risk of contact dermatitis or having uncured gel up underneath your nails. So reach out if you have any questions. I'm here to help. And here's to luxury at your fingertips.